Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this POCO smartphone. Begin by opening Settings. Then you need to scroll down and tap on Apps section. In it, click on Dual Apps and choose Create. Following that, click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. I will go with Amazon Shopping. So now when I click on the switcher next to it, I need to just turn on in the pop-up and wait. Now to check if my app was successfully cloned, I will go into App menu, type in Amazon, and as you can see, it was. If you wish to delete one of your cloned apps, you need to access the same settings and tap on the same now blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!